Happy New Year and welcome again to an exciting educational video. This is Dr. Luisito Masanga at your service. Shout out and thank you very much to those students from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao who are faithfully and consistently watching my educational video. To these students, a warm round of applause to all of you. Mabuhay! Our educational video for today is about facts about year 2021 and our learning outcomes. At the end of the educational video, students will be able to comprehend facts about the year of the ox and latest technological and business trends for 2021. Year 2021 is the year of the ox. Those who were born 1913, 25, 37, 49, 61, 73, 1985, 97, 2009, and 2021 are year of the ox. This year is going to be lucky and perfect to focus on relationships, whether we are talking about friendships or love. Favorite colors is white, yellow, and green to attract prosperity and success. And of course, it all depends on our hard work and effort and faith to our Creator, which will make us more successful in our life. These are the business and technological trends in 2021. Trend number 1, track development revolution with advanced COVID-19 testing and vaccine development. As you see and observe, there is quicker and easier to trial drugs, performing consultations online, collecting data remotely. Example is Pfizer and Moderna. Remote clinical trials and other changes may permanently alter pharmaceutical development. Trend number 2, continued expansion of remote working and video conferencing. This is a shared learning and documentation. This will continue this remote work across the globe. Example is Zoom, MS Team, Google Hangouts, GoToMeeting, Verizon's Blue Jeans. These are the state-of-the-art video conferencing system. And right now, the trend is really, there is person-to-person collaboration, but now because of this latest video conference system, you can also adapt collaboration using these virtual offices that replicates the person-to-person contact. Number 3, contactless delivery and shipping remain as the new normal. In the United States, 20% increase in contactless operations delivery. There is no absolutely contact delivery. Example is GrabHub and Uber Eats. In China, there is a company named Meituan. It's the first company in China that implemented contactless delivery using autonomous vehicle delivering grocery orders coming from customers. So the use of robotic deliveries and artificial intelligence-based application. Number 4, telehealth and telemedicine flourish. These healthcare telehealth offerings such as doctor-patient video chats, artificial intelligence, avatar-based diagnostics, no contact-based medication delivery. So this is the trend in virtual care. Trend number 5, online education and e-learning as part of the educational system. This will continue in year 2021. Instructions will be recommended even though we will return to the same old pre-COVID-19 period, uh, some educational institutions will recommend, no, a blended courses, and that will be part of their curriculum. Trend number 6, increased development of 5G infrastructure, new applications and utilities. That is correct. No? The demand for higher speed internet like 5G or 6G internet technology. So in year 2021, there will be new infrastructures and utility that will be created. Trend number 7, artificial intelligence, robotic, IoT, and industrial automation grow rapidly. Rapid growth of artificial intelligence and industrial automation technology can be seen in 2021. Automation with the help of artificial intelligence, robotics, IoT or Internet of Things will be the alternative solutions to manufacturing technology. Number 8, virtual reality and augmented reality technologies usage will rise. No? This AR or VR will be part of everyday life from entertainment to business. So these are called immersive technologies, augmented reality and virtual reality. Trend number 7 is continued growth in micro-mobility. Examples are e-bikes, e-scooters. No? These are convenient transportation alternatives that can be seen in 2021. No? Some countries are already developing bike lanes, no, to improve micro-mobility. And of course, the last is the ongoing autonomous driving innovation. Example, who are developing this autonomous driving technology without driver interventions are Honda, Tesla's Autopilot, Ford, Mercedes-Benz, General Motors. No? General Motors is developing a hands-free driving. So these are the technological trends and business trends that will happen in 2021. And for reference, for these facts about 2021, we have 3 references. And again, thank you very much for watching my educational video. I hope you will be enlightened on the latest trends in business and technology that is going to happen in 2021. Happy New Year to all, and thank you very much for watching and listening. Please do subscribe, like, and share the channel. Keep safe, everyone.